Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Andrews, and I am back. And I am, Epic Rap Battles of History. Season 5, J.R.R. Tolkien versus George R.R. Martin. Um, yeah, these are going to be really great. This was just released, 2 days ago? And I didn't know about it. I just saw it on my YouTube. So yeah, here we go. Welcome back.
First, J.R.R. Tolkien! Yeah, mind yourself! Gather up your trolls and your soldier elves! And your ants and your orcs and your wars and your stings, your doors and clam trains! Cause there's a door into every lord in the ring! My fingers falling up with every character I've written, and I kill them! And they're like, what? All your bad guys die, your good guys survive! You can tell what's gonna happen, my page and age 5! You're all seeing how to find some sex in your movies! Ditch the Goonies, cast a couple movies! There's actually your plots and not neighbors to know! Your household heroes can't handle that! Queens, dragons, storms, horses, fortresses, magic, and swords. You lost me my whole shit, you uninspired hack. You want to war, George? Welcome to Shire Rock. People says you got nothing to say. I'm number 1 and 2. You're under 50 shades of gray. I got the pros of a pro. Your shit's up, Paul. You're a pirate. You even stole my armor. We all know the world is full of chance and anarchy. See, it's true to life. A characters that die randomly. But newsflash, genres from fantasy. It's meant to be what realistic. You might have humanity. Why couldn't you just re-picture what you're doing on these beats? I'll cut you like my teeth on Beauty and the Beast. You ain't too deep, Professor Tweed Pan. We don't need the backstory on every fucking tree branch. I got my teeth in the trenches of the sun. You locked your Santa Claus ass through Vietnam. And it's hard for me to take criticism on clothes. From a dude who said the Raven to say hi to his toes. You fat jokes are worse than your pipe smoke. My show's the hottest thing on HBO. I'm rock and roll, you're a nerdy little image, and I may be dirty, but you got a hairy foot fetish, dog. Even the names of your characters suck. Got buffers and bovers and brandy bucks. I got a second breakfast for all them goofy fucks. Lift up my gut and teabag and smile nuts. C.S. Lewis and I were just discussing how you and Jon Snow both know nothing. It's the backstory of my box office is brilliant. Got my children making millions off my silver brilliance. And I'm more rock and roll than you ever will. Don't believe me? Ask that chocolate little. Can't face this fantasy. I'm too tolerated. Every time I'm back, I return the king. Poster! You just saw!
That was pretty good. Welcome back. Epic Rap Battles of History. Woo! So excited about it. I love this channel. That was cool. For me, I would have to go whoever won. I thought George R.R. Martin actually was kind of funny. I actually thought it was really good. J.R.R. Tolkien, of course, that ending line was pretty sick and whatnot, but I had to go George. George, rest in peace, Martin. Gordon Ramsay versus Gregory House. Yeah. Epic Rap Battles of History. I love them. My favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite. Definitely my top 5 would have to be this one, Jack the Ripper and Hannibal Lecter. That is definitely my top 5. I also like Romeo and Juliet and Bonnie and Clyde. That one's really good. But comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I liked it. It was fucking funny. Welcome back, Epic Rap Battles of History. Super excited to see who they bring next and who they have throughout the season. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you all very, very much for watching. Have a good one.